Let's make a very unique and super tasty dessert. We're making squash kheer. It's creamy, rich, and absolutely delicious. Start with 1/4 cup of basmati rice. Grind as much as to get broken pieces of rice. After that, wash the rice and soak it in tap water for 30 minutes. Wash and peel the squash. Cut into halves and remove the seeds. Shred the squash pieces. For this recipe, we need 1 cup. You can add more if you like. In a saucepan, add around 3 cups of water. Bring it to boil. Add squash, stir, and take out after 2 minutes. Strain it and squeeze it a little bit with the help of a spatula. Set aside for later use. Fill the pan with 2 cups of water. Bring it to boil and add the soaked rice. Boil for 10 minutes until the rice are tender. After that, strain the water. Set aside the rice for later use. Now add 1.5 liters of milk to the pan. Bring it to boil. Keep stirring to avoid sticking. Add the boiled rice. Give it a mix. Add 1/2 cup of sugar. Add the squash. Cook for 20 minutes until all the ingredients mix together. Keep stirring and try to mesh it together. Let this simmer on low heat until the milk thickens and the squash is fully cooked. This usually takes about 15 to 20 minutes. When you see it is thicker in consistency, adjust the sweetness according to your taste. It's time to add 3 tablespoons of banana-flavored custard. Mix the custard with 1/4 cup of milk. This banana custard is basically a banana-flavored cornstarch with some green food color. On low heat, start adding custard mixture. Add little bit at a time. Keep stirring and adding the mixture to avoid the sticking. Cook it on low flame for another 5 to 7 minutes until it reaches a thick, creamy consistency. Look at that texture, so rich and smooth. Add sliced almonds, desiccated coconut, and sultana raisins around 2 tablespoons of each. Give it a good mix. Transfer it to a serving dish. Refrigerate it for at least 3 hours or overnight. Decorate with some pistachios, almonds, and raisins. If you've never tried this version of dessert before, definitely give it a go. It's healthy, light, and super satisfying. It's creamy, perfectly sweet, and has that subtle squash flavor that makes it so unique. You can serve it warm or chilled, either way. It tastes amazing. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.